Hare Krishna. My journey in Krishna consciousness started with my friend Smita. Since she told me about the Krishna consciousness, I would love to go ahead with her and with Krishna. So since I had it Purushottam Mas Puja and had it with Damodar Puja, I learned from those puja to do more chanting, to read Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. Me and my family started to do the chanting together, reading Bhagavatam together. We are very happy to go with Krishna. We would love to grow with the Krishna consciousness. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, we are part of family. We are enjoying this Damodar Manthati every single day, and that ghee lamp to show Damodar deities. My daughter enjoyed this story. This kids form Damodar story. She enjoyed a lot and she is understand as well. See, every day she say, Mama, I want to do it this Damodar Aarti. Let's go do it Aarti. Every single day she is remember me as well, and she is enjoyed this month. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna dear devotees, I am Varsha from Uttradham. So talking about my realization of Shastradhan. So our family recently did Shastradhan and we asked Priya Mataji to donate Srimad Bhagavatam on our behalf to any library or to any hospital where multiple people can reach and read it. So we thought like that way that if only one single person reads Srimad Bhagavatam by chance, and if one line of it or even one passage of it changes one's life or transforms one's life into spirituality and into positivity, then our life's purpose is fulfilled for sure. That is what we thought that way. And Shastradhan is one of the best than we consider, because any gift you give, any donation you do, it may fulfill one's need temporarily. It can remain temporarily, and after a period of time it get vanished. But the Shastradhan and the knowledge gained from Shastradhan, from knowledge gained from Srimad Bhagavatam or from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then it can change one's life wholly in and out, and it will remain forever with that person. In fact, it can get multiplied if that person spreads this knowledge to other people as well. So that is what we thought our Shastradhan this way, and believe me that it really gave us a lot of satisfaction to our heart, and we really felt that we did the right decision about it. So that is what we thought that way. So I would highly recommend that please do and encourage Shastradhan, because this is one of the best dhan one can ever think of. It remains forever with that person. It doesn't get vanished after a period of time. So that's all from me. Thank you so much. Hari Bol.